the MD of AHAPN. Thank you so much for all your support. And I thank you because today I just plan to give this lecture and then disappear. But I heard that Prince who is organizing a special reception in my honor. So I'm spending the night here, courtesy of the Prince. Thank you again. And from Ken, I want to thank you. I didn't know about this your title. If I'd done, I would have been there at the coronation. But I thank you so much, the chairman of AHAPN, and all the other experts. I thank you. The Secretary Board of Fellows, I have so many colleagues here. I thank all of you. In a special way, I want to thank the LOC chairman who, many years ago, she saw something in me. She kept on telling me, talking about pharmacists, Ifemo here. She kept on telling me that I have potential to go places when we were coming for MCPD programs. And I dare say that she's one of the prophetess who saw tomorrow. Thank you so much. I can't recognize everybody because time is of essence. And particularly when you are delivering a keynote address, when it is past lunchtime, you must be very careful because your audience may sleep on you. But I want to assure you that by the grace of God, I will not say more than my other colleagues have said. Actually, I was privileged to be here to listen to one of the lectures by one of my students who staff that I acquired and I know. I wish most of us were here to listen to that lecture by Professor Ryan Obona. It actually went beyond the keynote that we are going to do today. So that lecture should be made very public for all of us to see. It has everything that we're going to talk about.